my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Well, today, I did something that I said I was going to do. I've been warning Prezi, and I wrote a letter to the Trinidad Prime Minister, and I told Prezi I gave him a certain amount of time, and people think I'm joking. Well, I have news for you people out there who think countryman a joke. But now I play with Prezi, because if 6 Dan get locked up, Prezi need to get locked up too. So today, this is what I did. Now at first, I got up and I said, you know what, let me write this Prime Minister a text. So I wrote my text saying, you know, I didn't want to startle him, so I explained that who I am and that I wanted to send him a letter. And, you know, I was waiting for a response. So then, after that, I contacted Nani. And Nani said, well, you know, countryman, you need to just go ahead and send the letter. And she explained the reason why, and it made 100% sense. So what I did, I went ahead and I sent the Prime Minister of Trinidad a letter about Prezi. If you look at the screen right there, I'm not going to read the whole letter, but the letter is available if anybody wants it. It's public document. You know, I said, dear Mr. Prime Minister, Dr. Honorable Keith Rowley, I hope this letter finds you well. I'm writing you to bring to you the attention of the utmost importance concerning the safety and the security of the resident of Port of Spain, Trinidad. It has come to my attention that of many concerned citizens that Prezi, the alleged leader of the 7 gang, is operating from Beetham and is believed to be involved in multiple criminal activities, including murders. And I sent him the letter in 2 formats. I sent it to him in an image format, and I also sent it to him in a text document. And this is my proof right here. If you look at the screen right there, you will see what I said to the Prime Minister. I pretty much let him know that even though I said I was waiting on his response, I let him know that it is important. So I went ahead anyways and sent the letter. So I will be following up with the Prime Minister of Trinidad and see if he read the letter and see if he's gonna do anything. But I have more people number too. So it's like this. If 6 Dan and Cayman and all of those guys from the 6 gang can go to jail, they need to do something about Prezi, because we all know that the 6 is not beefing by themselves. We know they were one and then they break up and it's the 6 and 7 beefing. And we know, we see all the murders, everything happen Nothing happened in Trinidad is secret, believe it or not. Trinidad is a country that uses a lot of social media, more than Jamaica, more than a lot of countries in the Caribbean, and that's a fact because my homeboy from Canada been told me that. So, like I told Prezi, I am not playing with you. I told you I gave you 2 weeks. You understand? I contacted certain policemen, I contacted certain people, 6 Dan them. I'm not saying it's because of me why 6 Dan is in jail. But I know there is people who's listening to me and watching my vlogs. And I do what I can do from my side. And it is like this. I told Prezi, put out a statement. You understand? Fall back. Because there is no way in Jesus' name, man, Jesus Christ, can this man be doing all this and still be out there on the street. If that's the case, it's a real shame and disgrace in Trinidad history. You understand? And something needs to be done. So I am not gonna be a talking head in this video. This video is to let Prezi know that today, you understand, February 18th, 2024, I sent the Prime Minister of Trinidad the letter I wrote about Prezi and the 7 gang. Because I was dead serious. One thing about me, anything I say I'm gonna do it, and I don't feel bad about it because I know I am doing some good. There's people who's gonna talk all sort of things, but there's just certain things me nah do. You understand? Certain things me nah do. Now, speaking of that, more want to look on that. That is Gabriel Marcus Supreme. And you see that youth here, him create history. Me are the first person to play that youth here now. You understand? And this is Sting 2023. This was 2 months ago. Now, I'm gonna talk about that youth in a separate video. You understand? There are certain things about him I want to talk about. This youth create history between Trinidad and Jamaica, and the world for know about it, plus some other things. Now, listen to him performance, part-time performance in a Sting.
My God is alive and well. It will never feel my lead going straight in the hell. And then my God is alive and well. My God is alive and well. Only with the promise to be fall. I really have that spell. Hey, I will see this situation. The people that will be in a station. I'm not where. I'm not about them dirty people get them information. But now we want to everybody here. That's how we can come up here. Cause I've been touched on the media. But they're going with me to this here. Tell them I'm hold on, man.
Me nah lie, that youth are full of talent. And me are the first man to bust him out. So I want to talk about him because like me say, him create history, and all you need to know about this, never talk about that youth, Marcus Gabriel Supreme. Seen Sting 2023 we just gone. That youth create history. Now, let me wrap it up for Mr. Prezi. Now, we know say Mr. Prime Minister, Trinidad Prime Minister, him have enough links. Time just come back from Washington. Yo, he meet with the CIA, He meet with the military, he meet with FBI, he meet with the vice president. Yo, the man go all alongly. He all everywhere in there. He have big connections. So it seems like something is gonna shake and bake in Trinidad. Now, we don't care about that. What I care about is getting Prezi off the street or slow Prezi down. We talk about Plumpy Boss, never talk about him other artists that they have one where they will look like a clown to blood clot with them call him Castel. He do a video Killer Clown. I don't know why would I do something like that. Prezi, me need you to stop the bullshit. You understand? Put out a statement like me say fall back. You understand? Else never pressure your case. And this is just the beginning. You understand? The letter went to the Prime Minister. Never follow up. Me still have a follow up with the big policeman. Alexander me is on vacation. I'ma have more people number when me have a show now in our other videos. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out, yo.